Out all the birds, man. Bring it close. They just took off. They're a bunch of bad boys. Eating a grub. Snicky's a nervous wreck. Snicky wanting him some bird sandwich, man. Snicky, you see him? Are you nervous? Yeah, Snicky and the birds crack me up. Snicky and the birds. I guess they all took off now. They'll be back. They'll be back. Where's Snicky? Snicky sees the wind blowing them butterfly things there. And thinks it's a bird. The birds too. Lordy, lordy. What are we gonna do with the birds and Snickies today? Oh, Snicky hawking, boy. Hawking, walking. Okay, guys, I got to get the kids in a minute. Few minutes. Have a good one. Peace.